Hi everybody, and welcome again to Champion Trading. What we're demonstrating for you today, this is a completely unitized deck shrink banding system. Can do small sleeves as well, by Axon, of course. It's the EZ-100 system. We're going to power it up right now at 220 single phase. We're going to operate it basically on a test function. So of course, as soon as the conveyor begins, the shrink tunnel moves down. Automatic mode. We played around with this a little bit. We know how it works. Test mode. I'm going to turn the test mode on. As you can see, it's got the unitized frame on casters, screw down locking jacks. This is fitted with the 6-inch wide stainless steel chain, and of course, as you can see, each one of these small holders was custom made for the previous container. You'll see the centerpiece will come out here. You'll see it has a screw on each side, and of course, they remove from the chain, and you can replace the chain with plastic as well. So it's using a shuttle type system inside there, feeding the film into the chamber and then pushing it down. Heater you see here, heating up right now. Has if there's any type of jam detector, that will stop the whole system right there, the conveyor. And of course, when that happens, hood immediately rises up. You don't want to burn or melt anything right there. And we're going to stop right now and go back to our start mode. Auto. Menu. And 3 special options. Go to test mode and turn it on. There you have it. All stainless steel construction, as you can see. It's a nice little system that's unitized. You can go to work with right away. We do have some additional change parts if the outside chance that your container would fit some of them that go with this particular system. One thing notable also on top here, you'll see that is a video jet coating system on there. Not tested it, but all working. We have lots of equipment in process and packaging in our stock, so I do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com, and we certainly look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us for our video today.